Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today's topic is Cloudsway Magento hosting pricing strategies. Let's start. Introduction. Magento, one of the leading e-commerce platforms, powers countless online stores across the globe. To ensure the optimal performance and scalability of their Magento-based website, businesses often turn to specialized hosting providers. Cloudflare, a prominent player in the hosting industry, has gained recognition for its Magento hosting services. In this video, we will delve into Cloudways pricing strategies, shedding light on the key factors that influence their pricing model. Understanding Cloudways. Before delving into pricing, it is crucial to understand what Cloudways offers. Cloudways is known for its high-performance Magento hosting solution that cater to business of all sizes. These services are built on top-tier cloud infrastructure, providing reliability, speed, and security for e-commerce stores. Factors influencing Cloudways pricing strategies. Hosting plan tiers. Cloudways typically offers multiple hosting plans tailored to different business needs. These plans vary in terms of resource allocation, including CPU power, RAM, storage, and bandwidth. The pricing structure escalates with the level of resources allocated. Scalability. One of the Cloudways selling points is its scalability. Clients can easily upgrade or downgrade their hosting plans to accommodate changes in website traffic and resource requirements. This scalability is reflected in their pricing model, allowing businesses to pay for what they need and adjust as their demands evolve. Service level agreements. Cloudways pricing often includes service level agreements that guarantee uptime, support, response times, and performance benchmark. The more robust the SLA, the higher the prices business pay for enhanced reliability and support. Data center locations. Cloudways operates data center in various regions. The choice of data center can impact pricing as proximity to the target audience affects website performance. Opting for a data center closer to the customer base may come at a premium. Managed services. Cloudway provides managed services that include regular updates, security patches, and 24/7 monitoring. These managed services are reflected in the pricing with more comprehensive management packages, costing more. Add-ons and customization. Business can customize their hosting plans by adding extra features such as content delivery networks, SSL certificates, and advanced security measures. These add-ons contribute to the final price. Transparency in pricing. Cloudway is known for its transparency in pricing. Clients can easily access pricing information on their website, including a cost calculator, to estimate expenses based on their specific requirements. This transparency fosters trust among potential customers and helps them make informed decisions. Comparative Analysis. To understand Cloudway pricing in the context of the market, it's essential to compare it with competitors. Others Magento hosting providers may offer similar services but with different pricing models. A detailed comparative analysis can reveal whether Cloudway provides competitive value for its services. Customer reviews and satisfaction. Examining customer reviews and satisfaction levels can provide insight into the actual value clients receive from the Cloudway hosting services. Positive reviews may indicate that the pricing aligns well with the quality of service provided. Conclusion. Cloudway Magento hosting pricing strategies are influenced by various factors including hosting plan tiers, scalability, data center locations, managed services, and customization options. Their transparency in pricing and commitment to high quality service make them a reputable choice for businesses seeking reliable hosting solutions for their Magento based online stores. To determine if Cloudway's pricing aligns with your specific needs and budget, it is essential to thoroughly evaluate their offerings and compare them with other hosting providers in the market.